Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, May the 20th, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle. Definitely 3 stars. Two puzzles are left. The Sudoku, no, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Yes, it's time for the binary, boys and girls. Number 4582. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Between two ones comes an O. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Here also the same story. Between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here. Sorry, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. I think we need to compare. Yes, let me compare. Well, we have 3 rows, 3 columns. This cannot be double one. No. How about this? Here we have more boxes open. 10. Yeah. This one and that one. 1. Empty box. Oh. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.